Hi everybody and welcome to my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching lists in Python. So let's get started. So first of all, what is a list? A list is something that stores multiple items or multiple values. So before I create a list, I want to put my list in a variable. So for an example of a list, the list I'll be creating right now will be for shopping. So the name of the variable will be shopping. And then it's equal to, and then to call a list, I put in a pair of brackets, and then between the brackets, if I want to put in a string, I add quotes, and if I want to put in a number, I just type in the number. So I'll add quotes, and between the quotes, I'll write the first item I need for this shopping list. So for an example, the first item in this shopping list will be eggs. So that's the first item of this list. And now to add another item, I put a comma and then another pair of quotes. And now I write the second item of the list, and that will be tomatoes. So tomatoes. And now I'll add another item in the list, and the next item will be milk, and I'll add a last item, and the last item will be orange juice. So orange juice. Okay, so this is our shopping list we created with Python. So now if I want to print the list, I can print shopping. And then if I run the code, it will print this shopping list. So I get eggs, tomatoes, milk, orange juice, and that's our list. So now an interesting attribute that could be important in Python, how could I know how many items are in this list? So what I could do here is in the print function, I'll type in len, and that will check how many items are in a list. And then I put another pair of parentheses, and I write the name of the variable that in that variable is the list we created. So shopping, and I'll run the code, and it will display the number 4. That's because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items in our list. So now how can I add an item to this list without actually touching this line of code? So for that, I can use the append method. So now I write the name of the list, shopping, dot append, parentheses, and then between the parentheses, I put in a pair of quotes, and I type in the name of the item that I want to add. So let's say another item we could get in the market could be meat. So I type in meat, and then I'll erase the len function from this print, and I'll run the code. And now it will display eggs, tomatoes, milk, orange juice, and meat. So it adds the meat at the end. So that's pretty much it for this tutorials about lists. If you have any questions, please write it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share this video with friends, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.